Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me again. So quickly in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add your book cover to your ebook on your Google Doc. So let's quickly look at this. It's been a while I promised to do this video and I've been so busy. That's why I couldn't drop it since. So sorry about that, but let's quickly go through it. So this is the ebook I created the last time, and I'm very sure you guys remember that I created the book cover when I created the graphic design video or graphic design training. So the next thing we want to do is just come here, click here. So I believe we all added a space here when we created this ebook together. So what you want to do here is click on this place, then come to insert. Let's insert a page break to push this particular page down. Break and page break. Alright, so after this, bring your cursor back here, then go to insert. So under your insert, come to this header and footer, then click on header. So after clicking on this header, leave this guy here, this different first page. Go to insert again, go to image, upload from your computer, upload from computer. Then select this guy here. So this is the book cover that I created when I created graphic design course. So I'll just select it. I believe you guys should have yours by now as well. Then click on open. So once you do that, you are going to see something like this. So the next thing you need to do is click on this image that you just added, then scroll down. So you can try to drag it up. You can see that's extended to the second page. So drag it up, and these options here, click on this wrap text. Click on it. Click on wrap text. So once you click on it, your image is going to stretch, and it will cover almost all the pages. So what you just need to do is just try to adjust your image to make sure it looks okay on that page. So you can see I just adjusted here and this place, and if you want it to cover the whole page, it's fine as well, but then you can just add a little bit of space to it. So you can drag this up. So I think that's fine. One other thing that we need to do is come to file, then page setup, then this place turn it to 0. Make this place 0 and check this place and ensure that it is selected content that is here. So that should be what will be there anyway, but then just check and change all these things to 0. So sometimes it can be 1, it can be 2, depending on your margin inches, but I think it's always 1. Then just change it to 0, then click on OK. So mine is already set to 0. Then you can see the way it looks like. So that will allow you to stretch this ebook beyond the margin. So that's why we are setting it to 0. So once you are done and everything is okay, you can see the way it looks now. So once you are done, you can save it. Well, it would have been saved by itself anyway. So just come to file, download, and download as PDF. So I'll save it inside the ebook writing, the ebook writing folder. Then let's open this. Alright, so you can see this is your book cover now. So please kindly try that and let me see what you guys have. If you have any issue, please let me know so that we can sort it out together. Alright, so that will be all for this video. Thank you so much. Alright, so I also remember that I promised to show you guys how to number your pages such that you have Roman figures. So when I did it in the video, I was having issues with numbering it here like this. So I continue to have that particular issue. And what I did was I went to use Microsoft Word to solve it. So let me quickly show you how I solved that. But then it might require you to adjust or do some formatting again. So let me just show you quickly. So leave this cover page, click here once and ensure this cursor is showing. Drag your cursor here like this, drag it down to the last page. Then hold your shift key, then click this place to select all your documents. So press Ctrl C to copy it. Then come and open your Word application. Open Word and let's use Word to edit it. It's very easy to do on Microsoft Word. So once you get here, press Ctrl V to paste here. So you should still see your document, but then some of the styling will not be there, especially those page breaks. So those page breaks will not be there. So you still have to go through the document from the beginning to the end. So at this point, I'll just advise that you use Microsoft Word to edit your document. It's, at least since you can do everything on Microsoft Word, I think it will be better to use Microsoft Word to do all your editing. So you can see this place, this copyright page has drawn up to this other side. So all you just need to do basically is to add page break and check for any other issues. So I'll just put my cursor here, go to insert here, almost the same thing, but this time around page break is here. So you can see page break. Go to insert and click on page break. Then it will move it to the second line. So you can see the table of content is also here. Just you can click here or you click on this place. Anywhere you click, then come to this insert, click on page break to take it down. Then continue like that. Let me just do for everything up till chapter 1. Then you guys can complete yourself. So I'll click here. Introduction is staying on its own. Then this chapter 1, page break. Okay, I think instead of using page break here, let me just go back because remember that we splitted the document into two sections from this place. So instead of using page break, come to layout here, click on these breaks, click on this arrow, then you will see all these options. Click on this next page. Alright, so let's check what we've done here. Alright, so you can just double click on the footer to see what we've done. So you can see this is showing section 1, this is showing section 2. So that means we've successfully splitted it into two sections. So the next thing you need to do now is here, while still here, you can see that we now have options for header and footer. So you'd have seen this part here. So come here and click on page numbers. Click on format page number. Then here you can easily select your Roman figure. So click here, you can select the uppercase Roman figure or the lowercase letter, anyone. So let's just select this. Then you can see start at this one here. So let's just use this and click on OK. So if you do this, okay, this is not showing. Click on page number, then you can select one of these templates here. So you can select the second one since we want it to be at the center. So click on this and you should see it here. So you can select this guy here to hide the that is the numbering for the first page. So okay, all right. So 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. All right. So this place you see that it will continue, but then we don't want it to continue like this. So just click on this place. Just click here like this. You don't need to select it. Just click on it. Then come to this page number, format page number. Then here, click on start at. Click on start at. Then you can now click on OK. So this should change to 1 now. So you can see 1, 2, 3 like that. So that is how it is going to show until you finish. So let's go back and confirm that this one is still Roman figure. So 3, 4. So that is it. So we are done with this. Once you do it like that, everything should be fine. So the same way we added our book cover, we can also do the same here. So put your cursor here and come to insert, then page break. We are still under insert. Come to this header. Select any of these templates here. Just click on this blank, it's fine. Then go back to insert again. Go back to insert, then click on these pictures to add the book cover itself. Click on insert. So after adding it, click here like this, then select this, maybe behind the text or in front of the text. Just select any of it. So after selecting it, then you can now adjust this side here. So you can stretch this guy, but ensure that as you are stretching it, it does not affect what is on the image. Like it does not affect it too much that everything looks stretched. You get, so if it is going beyond normal, it's better you just leave it at the point where everything is okay. So I'm just going to leave this like this. So you can just check your own image. If everything is fine, you can stretch it further. If not, just leave it any way it looks or any how it looks better. So you can just click out. You can come down here and click on this other part here. So you are going to see your image like this. It will be as if something is covering it. Don't bother about it. Just go to file, then save. So you can click on browse to browse where to save it. So let me just scroll up, video editing, ebook, then PDF. So let me just do this. Alright, so let's see how, alright, so good. So you can see how it looks now. So you can see that we still have the same thing, just that you might need to format your document again. So you can see that some of these things does not look fine. The same thing you did on Google Doc is the same thing you are going to do here as well. So for this one, you can decide to change this table of contents if you like. So the same thing we did. So just come here, click on the first place, then click on this last place here. So you can delete it, and you see how. So you go to references, then click on this table of contents. So you can see automatic table 1, automatic table 2. So just select the one you like. Then let me just select this and let's see what it's going to give us. So you can see the way it is now. So you can format it. You can format it to make it look the way you want. So you can see these guys here. This one, you want to make this one not have bold text. So just check, or you try the second, or you try that first table of content option and see if that one is going to work well for you. So okay, this is it. Let's see if this one is going to. So just try to ensure at least this one is just to create a visual difference between the heading and these guys here. So if you know you don't have the time, you can also leave it, and that will be fine. So that is all, and you can check other things. Everything should be. I think every other thing is almost the same thing as what we have on Google Doc. So this one I just showed you. Go to references and go to table of content. You can see this one is different from how it is on Google Doc. This is how you can do it here as well. So that is all. I believe those are the things I promised to show you guys on ebook. So if there's any other thing, please let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video valuable or informative, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.